You can pick your mufflers and your tips before you buy at Rich's. To get our proprietary systems, your vehicle needs to be in-house. With all major brands are in stock, we have you covered. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com. Make sure to check out all of our social media channels to further optimize your vehicle's performance. We carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.